Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we're going to practice matching words for parts of a bird and their function or what those parts do. Let's take a look. Okay, let's read the sentence at the top of the page. It says, a bird has blank to blank. Okay. Let's start looking at the words. A bird has feathers to, what do feathers do for the bird? I know, feathers help birds stay warm. W, w. Let's look for the word that starts with the w sound. Let's see. S, s, d, s, w. Warm. There it is. A bird has feathers to keep warm. I just matched those words. Let's look at the next word. It says beak. What does the beak help the bird do? It helps the bird eat. That's right. Hey, I know the word eat. That's a sight word I know how to read. So a bird has a beak to help it eat right there. Great. Next word, wings. What do wings do for the bird? That's right. The wings help it fly. Do you see the word fly? I'm looking for the word that starts with F. There's only one. I see it. A bird has wings to help it fly. There we go. Okay, next one. Tail. What does the bird's tail do for it? That's right. The bird's tail helps it steer, just like a steering wheel. Okay, which word says steer? This is sw. Not that one. Let's find another one. Here's another S. Soul. No, that's not it. Here's another S. Steer. That's it. A bird has a tail to steer. There we go. Next one. Webbed feet. What do the webbed feet do for the bird? That's right. They help it swim. Sw. I see that. SW. Swim. Swim right there. Okay. Next word is nest. What's the nest for? A bird has a nest to sleep. Okay, where's the word sleep? I see it. It's right here. It starts with SL, sleep. Now, next one. A bird has feathers. What do the feathers do for the bird? They keep it dry. D. Do you see the word that starts with D? I do too. Dry, right there, to keep it dry. A bird has feathers to keep it dry. And the last one, a bird has a beak to pick things up. That's the last one. There we go. I just matched all of the words. Now it's your turn. Match the words on the student template in Seesaw and then record yourself reading about the bird's body parts and what they help the bird do or their function using the sentence at the top of the page. A bird has feathers to keep it warm. A bird has a beak to help it eat, just like that. Great job. Thanks for practicing with me today. I hope to see you again very soon.